Cebu Pacific plane that overshot the runway has finally been towed and removed from the area. This comes nearly 2 days after making the incident that disrupted operations at the Davao International Airport and stranded thousands of passengers. Normal operations are expected to resume at the airport tonight. Meanwhile, there were mounting complaints against Cebu Pacific from passengers of the airline company. Angel Deliera reports.
The Francisco Bango International Airport is in a state of distress as passengers of the accident and future passengers raised their complaints to the Cebu Pacific Company. There was strong turbulence while the flight 5J971 is flying, and upon going down they experienced 2 bumps. The first bump was a bit strong, but the second had a stronger impact. A renowned university in the city, who is an avid patronizer of the airline through the years, is also dismayed to the sad situation.
The Ateneo de Davao University held a press con and decided to end their contract with the Cebu Pacific Airlines.
The president of the university, Father Joel E. Tabora, released an official statement regarding their boycotting of the Cebu Pacific in line with the affected Ateneans who were aboard the flight 5J971 that had a crash landing last Sunday evening.
Para sa akin lang, about seconds before it touched down, everything went well. And then everything went in chaos right after it touches down.
Ilang bounce ang nangyari?
First, medyo rough na yung pinakauna. Pangalawa, yun ang pinakagrabe. And tuloy-tuloy na. So it's 7 seconds, approximately 7 seconds. Total stop na kami. And we thought we were waiting big bang because after nung pag-stop namin, everybody was on silence. And we were thinking of a big bang. Pero wala. But we could overhear a lot of us saying, "Thank you, Lord." Yun lang ang naririnig namin.
They emphasized the lack of ability of their flight attendants and personals, quoting that they have failed to give humane assistance to the passengers. There were no instructions given and no calming words spoken.
Nag-spark lang kasi, tapos apoy na apoy. Tapos, ang nangyari kasi may mga water sa labas. Dahil sa putik kasi, parang dahil din sa rain, parang nawala agad yung flame.
It is also mentioned that they stayed as long as 27 minutes inside the cabin before they were asked to go out using sliding doors. The cabin was clouded with smoke at the time after the right wing caught fire where the engine is located. For People's Television, Angel Deliera.